Okay, hey, what's up? My name is Samuel Leeds. Listen, sometimes people honestly think just because it's coronavirus going around, just because it's New Year's Eve, they genuinely think, what? I'm not gonna just drive to their house? Well, what? Guess what? It's New Year's Eve right now, the last day of 2020. I'm driving to your house. People think I wouldn't do this. You know what I mean? Honestly, when people order books and stuff from my website, what time I get people ordering my books all the while? Someone has got to be the postman. I'm leaving the house, but this is work. Like, someone has to be the postman. So right now, there's a couple people that won the prize draw from yesterday after the eviction. A couple people. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna drive to their house. They have no idea that I'm coming. Drive to their house and tell them that they've won a load of free stuff. So this is work. This is the last day of 2020. Tomorrow's 2021. Happy New Year, everybody. Let's go. I've got to go turn up at some people's houses. This is gonna be fun. Let's go. It's been a pretty smooth drive. We're currently 5 minutes away from their house, and they have to be at home. I mean, on New Year's Eve, with the current COVID restrictions, I'm kind of relying on them being at home. But let's find out. I think we're basically almost here. Sadie and Ross. I got your parcels for you. I got your books. I got your parcels. Let's do this. Let me find this house. You think I won't come to your house? I'll come to your house. I'll find it. I'll find your house. I'm finding your house. 7. Oh yeah. We're getting close. Must be up there, upstairs. I'm coming for you. You really think I won't come to your house? I told you I'd come to your house. Get the faces. Hey, what's happening, buddy?
Hi.
Respect. I told you I'd come to your house.
Yeah. Hi.
Is it Ross?
Harley.
Ross, Harley.
Yeah.
What's happening,
Yeah.
bro? I won't
Yeah.
come in because I know of all the COVID restrictions and stuff.
Alright, cool.
However, here are your parcels.
I didn't believe it, honestly. Yeah.
So, massive respect.
Thank you
You're so
so
welcome.
much.
Well done for winning. It was a proper random pick, and I'm really glad that you guys won it. So,
Thank you.
all right, Winners Wednesday 2021.
Hopefully, yeah.
Well done, guys. See you real soon. You'll probably see them on Winners on a Wednesday. But let me tell you something. If you want to become financially free, if you want to get trained in property, so how to make 2021 a year unlike any other year, then I would like to invite you to join me at the Property Investors Crash Course. Guess what? It's an incredible training program. Tens of thousands of people have done it before, and it's completely free. So join me for free. The 9th of January, I'll put in the description, I'll put a little link. There's a £1 booking fee just to check that you're a real person. And you're gonna learn everything I've learned about property over the last 12 years in one day on the virtual Property Investors Crash Course. It's virtual, but it feels like a real event. You really need to be there. Get booked on. That's my gift for you on this New Year's Eve. Happy New Year. I'll see you at the Crash Course. Get booked on. Peace out.